Hey everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this incredible heated parka. It has 6 heating zones and 3 different temperature levels. It comes with a power bank, so you can just plug it right in and recharge that so you're always toasty on the go. We're gonna do a full unboxing, so let's take a look. Here's what it comes in, this nice bag. I love this for storing when you are not using this coat. This will be great for summer storage. So hang on to this. And then when you open it up, you got the coat and the power bank. So the power bank, think of the charger that you use when you're traveling, your backup charger. That's what this is. It does come with a little bit of a pre-charge, and then you can just charge this up with the included cord. It's USB to USB-C. Let's take the coat out and take a look. It has a nice weight to it. Really nice feel to the fabric. Okay, we have some snaps here on the wrists. And then I love this for the cuff. This is a full cuff that is inside the sleeve. So this is going to keep all of the cold air out. Really nice and stretchy. And again, this snap on here is adjustable, so you can make it tighter or looser depending on your needs. You have a fur collar that zips off. So you can zip that off. That would come off of the hood. You have 4 snaps on the hood. That's great for face cover. And inside the jacket, you have a really high stand-up collar. The entire hood comes off. You can zip that off as well and remove that if you don't need that, if you want to have a more transitional coat as well. Zipper pocket on the front of the coat on both sides. Love that. And then 2 gigantic pockets with snaps. I love when there is a zipper or a snap on the pockets, because then when you're out and about hiking, you are not going to lose everything. You also have the snaps that are on the placket, which are going to cover the zipper again for added warmth. Just by itself, this coat is really nice and would get you through the whole winter. But again, the reason we're getting this coat is because it has heating elements inside. Inside, you have a lot of pockets as well. You have a zipper pocket here, which is going to be where we're going to put the battery. And you have a loop here to hang this up. Take the power bank. In this inside front pocket, you have a cord that we are going to plug in. This is already pre-charged. I'm going to stick this in here and zipper up. I went with the size large because I wanted the length, and I also wanted to make sure that I could wear a sweater that was bulky underneath here. Okay, this is really, really cute on. It's lightweight, but yet warm, and there is a little bit of weight to the coat, which I personally like. Okay, it's cute. Loving this. Now, let me show you on the inside. You have a cord so you can cinch the waist. I'm going to cinch it in a little bit because I don't have a sweater on and it is a little big. And that really does change the look of the coat. Super cute. Here's the hood. To snap the hood, you have 2 sets of snaps. So you can have it tighter or looser. Okay, zip pocket. So let's take a look. Okay, Very cute. Now, how do you turn this on? If you unzip right in here, super easy to find, you are going to long press this for 3 seconds. And now it's on. I can immediately feel it getting warmer. You have 3 different levels. To change them, you're just going to press 1, 2, 3. Red is going to be the highest level, white is your middle level, and blue is your lowest level. So for my zones, my 6 zones are 2 on the front, 1 in each arm, 1 large one on my back, and then 1 on my neck, right back here. This coat is chic, it is warm, and it has that added heating option to it, which makes this perfect if you work outside, if you go to a lot of events outside. I see you, all of you moms out there who are sports moms, sitting outside, even in the fall when it's not too cold. It is really nice to have something heated to keep you nice and warm when you're just sitting there for a day watching your kids. This jacket is amazing. Definitely check this one out. I highly recommend.